What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video. GJ, GJ just tapped into this demand. I was targeting the lower demand right here, and I'm not looking for sales, to be honest. I was looking for sales yesterday from here. Today I will not look for sales from here. I don't really like the area. I don't really like the supply that was created here. Euro AUD, same thing. We are at key area. This is a trade that we caught. When was it? A couple of weeks ago, 6th of January. Anyway, now we are at key area, as you can see, and we are consolidating. So instead of entering when the market is consolidating, we will wait for the market to actually take a direction, show us intention, and then we will trade along the way with the market. So ideally could be an order block created here, coming back to the order block for sales, breaking structure and everything. Entering sales here just doesn't make sense for me, since we are consolidating and there is no confirmation that we cannot continue to the upside, right? Again, sorry if I'm not really present, but I woke up sick, and I decided to do the live anyway. I didn't want to reschedule because it was our first live of the week, of the year actually, sorry. So yeah. Now EuroCAD, some crazy opportunities from here last week. Now we just continue to the downside after tapping into supply. I personally didn't consider this supply as a good supply. I had this higher area. So for now, we just went to the downside, and I'm not really interested in trading EuroCAD from here. GPCHF, just straight bullish. This was actually my only loss of the week so far, where I entered some sales and they just didn't hold. So yeah. For now, not interested in trading from here. GPCHF. AUD USD. AUD USD sitting at key area. This is a very good key area. I really like it. But at the same time, the 1 hour structure is creating lower lows and lower highs. Now, I'll need to look here what's going on. It looks like we broke internal structure to the upside. Therefore, we could have looked for buys. Buys already took place from here. As you know, supply fails, demand is created, demand held right here. I didn't enter any trade. I'm starting to trade right now today. So we'll just wait. And if we create a new break structure again here, then I will be looking still for buys. The most interesting pair that we have is GPCAD. GPCAD, let's go to actually check for lower time frames confirmation. Okay, so we failed supply right here. And I'll look to enter at demand basically. On any retracement right here, I'm entering. And you can go with risky stop loss just below the low. This is very risky as we can create a spring, we can create a grab of liquidity, or we can go safe down here with 19 pips stop loss. Safe doesn't mean that we will not hit it. It just means that it's safer than putting it down here. That's all. Let me check for target. As target, I will have a higher supply, probably this one. Okay. Ooh, 1 second. Actually, this one, this supply right here. 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. We're using the 1 hour time frame, not the 4 hours as the main. I use more than 1 hour than the 4 hours. I check the 4 hours when I need more understanding of the current situation. Would you recommend someone who has a full-time job to start with swing trading first or day trading? Depends because you can just day trade when you have 1 or 2 hours free basically. So day trade works too. DJ looks interesting. For what? Sales? It does look interesting, but I'm not interested in entering sales. What time frame we look for order block? Please look at the course. Everything is explained. I just call order blocks supply and demand areas. So just go in the course and there's everything. Do you watch every day all the pairs on your watch list? Only these, from AUD/USD to the upside, actually. The others, not really. Mainly because I backtested them and I know what works best with the strategy. Do you trade gold? Sometimes, but not really that much. Could be like once per month or something, when there is a very good opportunity. Now, please compare your analysis with mine. This is what I have right here. This is my analysis on GPCAD. I'm looking for buys. If you agree, then you can look for buys too. If you don't agree, then don't look for buys. Okay. Now, sorry if I'm not really making this live session so exciting, but as I said already, I woke up not feeling great. So yeah. Can you show GJ? I can show you GJ, but I'm not looking for any trade on GJ. This is what I have on GJ, but I'm not interested. Just interested on GPCAD right now, to be honest. Buys on GPCAD. That's all. I tried your strategy. It works on US 500. Yes, it works on indexes too. You keep up with trading so many pairs. There are not so many. If you followed my live today, I just get on the charts and in about 15 minutes I'm able to check all of them. Just these to here. So about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 pairs. I just check them in about 15 minutes, and then I just see which ones look most interesting. So for example, today only GPCAD for now, and yesterday night only CAD GPY, and it's not really a lot. Where do we put the stop loss on GPCAD? If we enter, that's your choice. I gave you the options, but I cannot tell you what to do. There is the risky stop loss down here. There's the safe stop loss down here. But I'm not telling you to enter. You need to check what's going on your chart and see if you agree with what's happening here and what I have. So make sure to check the news, make sure to check that nothing is going on that could mess up your trade. There are USD news later, but USD is not involved in GPCAD, so that's good, okay? That's really important to do every day. How do you keep up with trading so many pairs? There are not so many. If you followed my live today, I just get on the charts and in about 15 minutes I'm able to check all of them. Just these to here. So about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 pairs. I just check them in about 15 minutes, and then I just see which ones look most interesting. So for example, today only GPCAD for now, and yesterday night only CAD GPY, and it's not really a lot. Where do we put the stop loss on GPCAD? If we enter, that's your choice. I gave you the options, but I cannot tell you what to do. There is the risky stop loss down here. There's the safe stop loss down here. But I'm not telling you to enter. You need to check what's going on your chart and see if you agree with what's happening here and what I have. Also, make sure to check the news, make sure to check that nothing is going on that could mess up your trade. There are USD news later, but USD is not involved in GPCAD, so that's good, okay? That's really important to do every day.